what's up everybody? Sam here. Today, we are checking out something pretty exciting. The iCeMonster 787 snow goggles. These aren't just any ordinary goggles. They are specifically designed for ski enthusiasts. They're packed with some seriously cool tech like electrochromic lenses and anti-fog technology. So no matter how harsh the skin conditions get, they help you see clearly and pull off those awesome skiing moves. These goggles might just become your ultimate sidekick this snowy season. Now, I know it's hot and sunny here in Shenzhen, but I've got some creative tests lined up to show you what these goggles can really do. Let's dive in and see if they're worth your attention. Straight out of the box, we've got iCeMonster snow goggles, more on that in a bit. There's also a high quality storage bag, and inside it, we've got the manual, a Type-C charging cable, and a lens cleaning cloth. Now, let's get to the goggles themselves. I received the full orange plate version, but they also come in other color options. These colors vary slightly in the visible light transmission performance, so you can pick the one you prefer. The link is in the description. At a first glance, the design of the iCeMonster may seem simple. It features an adjustable band to fit various head sizes, with small silicone strips added to increase grip and prevent slipping. I have a relatively big head, but the goggles fit snugly. Even when I shake my head like crazy, they stay firmly in place. Moving on, there is a comfortable cushion around eye sockets made of triple layer moisture-wicking foam. There is a Type-C charging port with an LED indicator above it, red light while charging, and solid green when fully charged. As for battery life, I've been told it lasts an impressive 2 to 3 months. That's incredible! It's like charging the once and forgetting about it until your next New Year's resolution. On the side, we've got a protruding button built into the environmentally friendly TPU lightweight frame. This button lets you switch between dark and light modes on the lens. Speaking of lenses, this seemingly unassuming lens is the real game changer that sets these goggles apart. It consists of 2 layers. The outer is high-definition polycarbonate lens, and the inner layer is a Dymax electrochromic lens with ANF Max anti-fog technology. That might sound complicated, so let me break it down. The electrochromic technology lets you adjust the tint with a single tap, seamlessly adapting to changing light conditions. Let me show you. Press the set button and you'll hear a beep as the lens gradually transitions between dark and light over about 15 seconds. Why 15 seconds? That's because it's designed to protect your eyes. As we all know, the human pupil takes time to adapt when dilating or contracting, and this flexible tinting technology perfectly addresses that. Unlike those products that change instantly, which can cause your vision to suddenly go dark under strong light, potentially dangerous. This gradual transition ensures safety and comfort. I position the camera behind the lens so you can see the transition for yourself. It's smooth and natural, no abrupt shifting like other goggles on the market. Once the transition completes, you'll hear another beep, signaling it's done. No more manually swapping lenses like with the traditional goggles. The ANF Max anti-fog tech, developed in-house by iCeMonster, prevents fog buildup, ensuring clear vision in any weather. Let me demonstrate. I place the goggles over boiling water. Despite the steam, the lenses stay fog-free. For comparison, here's a regular pair of glasses I borrowed from grandma. Look at how quickly they fog up. And now you're wondering about how this performs in real life. Unfortunately, I'm in Shenzhen, where it's hot all year round. Finding a place to ski here is like finding snowmen in the desert. So I mimic snowy conditions with some creative testing. First, I'll simulate a bright, sunny environment. Take this 200 watts photography light as an example. I've adjusted to its brightest setting. It's honestly harsh to stare at directly. Now, let me put iCeMonster in front of the camera. Remember what it looked like before. Overexposed with glares everywhere. With the press of the button, the lens gradually dims, making the light much softer. The harsh glares are completely gone, and I can even see some details on the surface of the soft box. Now, here's how it looks with the regular sunglasses. To be honest, you may not even realize they're sunglasses. Now, let's transition to a dark environment. As you can tell, the text in front is barely visible. I press the button again, and the view gradually becomes brighter. I can even clearly read the small text below the iCeMonster. Have a nice view. Additionally, the iCeMonster is fully waterproof, so you don't have to worry about using it in wet or snowy conditions. It's built to handle elements and keep performing flawlessly. This test gave a good idea of how the goggles handle extreme lighting conditions, which brings to my conclusion. I haven't tested these goggles on the slopes yet, so this review might not fully convince you. However, based on the experiments I've conducted, I believe the iCeMonster 787 snow goggles are an excellent choice for skiers seeking cutting-edge technology. Forget about old-school manual lens switching for different snow conditions. With these goggles, all it takes is a tap of the button. The lenses adjust automatically to light, letting you focus on enjoy your skiing experience with hands-free convenience and perfectly protect the eyes. If you are interested, check out the description to back this project and elevate your next skiing adventure in style. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I'll see you in the next one. Alright.